All right. What is going on, everyone? Happy Thursday. Hope we had a decent trading day. It has been a tough week. Not much. Man, I tweeted out last night. I was going long oil overnight, gapped up, sold, took some profits right away, but then oil just pretty much sold all day. You got the spies here, just stuck. Qs again, stuck. That one's actually still an inside day today. So a little bit short of a watch list today, but as you can see here, this is the scan we run, average volume. Check these inside weeks. I mean, next week is going to be interesting. Look at all of these inside weeks with the big boys, right? Micron, SanDisk, Merck, Applied Materials, like all the big boys here, all the different industries. Like we got all different industries, right? Semis, hardware, all these different industries, all these inside weeks. So next week will be interesting. But there are a couple setups today. I was kind of trying to find the ones that were two up on the week, or two down in green, or looking for potential setup going into next week. So we've got GE here. We've already got the two up week. We've got the two up month that was re-triggered today. And now we've got the 3-2 up potential to get going on this monthly expansion here. Then you've got JCI, very similar. This one well into all-time highs, still inside week, not great. But again, you have the all-time highs here, and then you have 4 tight consolidation days. So industrials, looking to see a move out of this pocket up into here tomorrow. You've got Pepsi, had this one, really wanted to get long this one. Good looking setup, 2-2. Just got stopped up there. But what you've done is you've widened this broadening formation here. And now you're looking for the potential 2-2 weekly setup. So we're going to keep this one on my watch list into tomorrow. If it flips the weekly back green, I will get long right here. Very similar to what I did with 2 down green months, right? Flip it, get long right when it flips that weekly green. As soon as you see that flip over, boom, try and get long. That's your stop. That is the same concept as the 2 down green month, right? 2 down green months, we go 2 down and green. Boom, get long right here. Same thing. 2 down green week, boom, get long, and that is your stop. Next, actually, speaking on that same concept, I want to hit these real quick and why I got into Exxon and Chevron. So again, here's your, I'll take this off here. Here is your weekly open, right? So you've got the great move, shooter week, takes it down, triangle some of these guys out on the daily, and then right here, you had your 2-2 daily reversal. So once you had your 2-2 daily reversal, you had your week flipped back green. Above right here, you can get long, and that is what you use as a stop out. If it goes below there, you get out. But right there, as soon as that week flips back green, you have green month, green week, green day. Get long immediately. So I saw that, tweeted that out, and said, just, hey, get long, XOM, here's your chance. So got a nice move up into here. I tried to get, I closed that. Where is that one at? Tried to get long again off this after it closed the gap here. Tried to get long here. Ended up selling for a little bit of a loss at the end of the day today. But again, made money on this move up here. Sold after I saw the gap up sell. Took my profits here. Tried again with a little bit more of their money. Failed. That's okay. Oh, I keep forgetting I got too many. I had to close it and get back in. But same thing with Chevron here, right? Boom. 2 down green. Then you have the 2-1 boom. But it's, again, the weekly was green before this day closed. So let's extend that down here. We'll remove this. So we were closing yesterday with the weekly back green. So you had a 2-1 inside day, flipped the weekly back green. What do? Get long. Do you expect the gap? Absolutely not. You expect the inside day break to the upside. But either way, get long. Boom. You have green month, green week, green day. You're looking for the inside day. Boom to the highs. Again, same thing. Was long Chevron. Went in the 3-6 calls. Thought it was looking good. Morning. Ended up selling the whole position today as well. You got the 3 on the weekly now, so let's see what happens. But yeah, bummer. Was really hoping that was going to keep going. Remove that one there. So anyway, that is just a way to look at how you can trade some of these. So that's exactly what we're looking for with Pepsi tomorrow, right? What is going on here now? So Pepsi flips this weekly back green. Boom, get long. Go long. And that's your stop. That will be your stop out. All right, a little distracted there. Got off track, but that's okay. Let's get into it. Keep going here. We've got net. Pretty tight. Again, inside week, not great. But here, interesting, 2 down green month. So in the criteria, triangles all these guys out here on the monthly. Look at us, back with the 2 down green months. And triangles all these guys out on the monthly. Now you have the inside week, tight pocket there. I would be taking an entry above here, looking for the, right, we're looking for domino trades, right? Dominoes. So you have the 2-2 daily. You want the 2-2 daily to either take the week 2 up, or it's going to set up an inside week where it closes up in here. So you're already positioned from here for it to break the inside week next week. Boom. So let's say tomorrow we get a day, it goes, 2-2, closes the day right here. Now you got a little bit more of a green Momo hammer when it closes up in here, but you've got your entry from down here. So now if the week opens next week and you take that inside week to the upside, boom, you're positioned from right down here. You're ahead of the game. You're taking anticipatory trades. If it fails, no worries. That's okay. You're trying to catch more of the move. You're trying to catch the move before the move. And then again, where are we trying to go? Outside month. Back up into these guys here. So looking for that one tomorrow, 2-2. But again, real stuck. So again, if it triggers and in these markets, especially lately, if something triggers and doesn't go in an hour, I'm out. I want moves. I want them now. The market is too whack to be sitting in positions for no reason. Theta's getting burned. Capital's getting burned. I'm not doing that. You have an hour to make a move, or I'm done with you. I'll find another one. Wolf, really like this one. Similar kind of concept, right? You had the inside month to the upside, right on the monthly trigger, right there. But again, if you earnings coming up, so this might be honestly, this might just be a Lotto Friday type play. 220. Oh no, it's next Thursday, so you can buy next week's contracts. They're going to be a little more expensive, but again, closes the gap here, triangles out all these guys here. Now again, you're looking to flip that weekly back green, and what will you do? If it takes the 2-2 day, the 1-2-2 day, you're looking to flip the weekly back green, set up a 2-2 week to go back up into this range. So I'm going to be looking to that one. I might probably just, I might pay a little bit of premium. I really like this. I mean, I really like this. And I have 5 trading. Let's see if it's before or after hours. Might not say. After. So I have 5 full days to trade that. So if this triggers, I might pay a little bit more premium and see how much they are and get into this one. This is a real nice move. It wants to come test the other side of this broadening formation before earnings. That's $2.50 or so. Next one, AEIS. Again, 2-up week, fell out of force. And I've got the inside day near the highs. Looking for this inside day to the upside. We'll see. Core, this was one from the watch a couple of days ago. You had the 3. But again, 2 down green week. Could have got long, right? Bam, right there, get long. Now you've got it. But again, now you've got another 3 on the daily to set yourself up, looking for the outside week there. And I'm hoping this is helping you guys understand a little bit of how I'm thinking through things and aligning time frames to set up other things. And I'll continue to do better at teaching this as I go along. This one, such a good setup, man. I was tweeted out. Great looking Lotto Friday. I don't like that it's so many days stuck in this tight pocket, but man, this could be a great Lotto Friday. Still inside week, which is not great, but again, it keeps retesting this monthly trigger, retesting the monthly trigger, retesting the monthly trigger. You've got higher highs all up in here. Now you need to see this 2-2 day out. The Friday blast off would be superb. I'm guessing the 130s are like, honestly, they're probably too expensive. They're probably a little bit higher priced than they should just because of the VIX and because things have been a little bit pricier. Let's see. The 30s are 43 cents. Not great. Maybe take one. If you're going to take it, maybe take 1 or 2. You lose $50 or $100. Maybe just take one if you're interested in the Lotto Friday there. Great looking setup though. IRDM. Here we go. So 3 days inside here. Again, inside week. This actually I watched this from a couple days ago. Probably not going to trade this one. Just going to leave it on the watch list. But I'd avoid this one. I just didn't remove it. These two, we traded these a while ago. I don't even know what month it was. It would have been right here back in September on the 2 down green monthlies. Boom, did it again. Now you've got 2 up week in force. So again, these are strong. 3 up. 2 up week in force when everything else is inside week, 2 up on the week, this and VST. 2 up on the week when everything else is weak, or inside, excuse me. But now you've got big move, comes down. Oh, come on with these earnings, man. Premiums are going to be expensive. If you're a shares trader and you want to take shares tomorrow. You've got tomorrow before market. So the 20th, 21st, 22nd are the weekends, 23rd, Monday. So you'd have to sell this on Monday. But if you're a shares trader, feel free to jump in that. This one, of course it does. Another great looking setup, man. Again, shares probably okay. Again, not all the way back through this 3-2 down green month, looking for a 3-3 on the monthly. But with earnings coming up, we will see. All right, that's all I've got for you guys tonight. Again, it's Friday. If you had a good week, it's been a decent week for me. I hope you guys have been able to catch some of the moves. I've been trying to tweet them out more during the day so you guys can get like more interactive. And I know it's hard when I post the videos, but then as the day progresses, the market's open and I have other things that pop into my head, other things I'm seeing. I have a couple watches I look at throughout the day. So sometimes I'm pulling stocks from there and I'm seeing and I'm trying to tweet them out. But I hope you guys have been able to catch some moves. It's been choppy. Again, in these times, don't be afraid to size down. Like I said, tight stops. The stock has an hour to move, hour and a half at the most. If it doesn't move, I'm out. Just get out, save your money. There's going to be more setups. We're having setups every single night that are going. There are setups there. There are stocks that are moving. I'm not going to be sitting in the ones that are not moving. So let's have a good Friday. Let's get us in some nice setups going into next week. Next week looks like it's going to be explosive just with all the inside weeks. I mean, if we get another inside week, it'd be a real bummer. Be a real bummer. But have a great weekend, and we will talk on Sunday.